Which animal sleeps only 30 minutes a day? A. Giraffe. B. Elephant. C. Panda. D. Dog. Correct answer is A. Giraffe. The next question is, which animal produces pink-colored milk? A. Panda. B. Hippo. C. Horse. D. Rabbit. Correct answer is B. Hippo. The next question is, which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? A. Udaipur. B. Jaipur. C. Bhopal. D. Mysore. Correct answer is A. Udaipur. The next question is, which part of the body doesn't grow after birth? A. Nose. B. Eyelids. C. Liver. D. Tongue. Correct answer is B. Eyelids. The next question is, which bird can sleep while flying? A. Owl. B. Pigeon. C. Albatross. D. Parrot. Correct answer is C. Albatross. The next question is, what is the fastest healing part of the human body? A. Skin. B. Tongue. C. Nail. D. Eye. Correct answer is B. Tongue. The next question is, which Indian state has no railway line? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Tripura. D. Nagaland. Correct answer is A. Sikkim. The next question is, which animal never jumps? A. Cow. B. Horse. C. Elephant. D. Dog. Correct answer is C. Elephant. The next question is, which is the only fruit with seeds on the outside? A. Guava. B. Banana. C. Strawberry. D. Watermelon. Correct answer is C. Strawberry. The next question is, what color is a zebra's skin under its fur? A. White. B. Pink. C. Black. D. Gray. Correct answer is C. Black. The next question is, which organ produces sperm in males? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Testes. D. Bladder. Correct answer is C. Testes. The next question is, what happens if you drop a raisin in soda? A. It floats. B. It melts. C. It sinks forever. D. It bounces up and down. Correct answer is D. It bounces up and down. The next question is, which bird can mimic human speech best? A. Crow. B. Owl. C. Parrot. D. Dove. Correct answer is C. Parrot. The next question is, which organ uses the most oxygen in the body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Lungs. D. Liver. Correct answer is B. Brain. The next question is, which Indian monument changes color based on sunlight? A. India Gate. B. Taj Mahal. C. Red Fort. D. Gateway of India. Correct answer is B. Taj Mahal. The next question is, what is the only body part connected to the brain with no bone? A. Eye. B. Nose. C. Ear. D. Tongue. Correct answer is A. Eye. The next question is, which animal can survive without water for 10 months? A. Kangaroo rat. B. Camel. C. Tortoise. D. Owl. Correct answer is A. Kangaroo rat. The next question is, how many teeth does a normal adult human have? A. 28. B. 30. C. 32. D. 36. Correct answer is C. 32. The next question is, which gas is used in party balloons to make them float? A. Oxygen. B. Helium. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is B. Helium. The next question is, which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Gujarat. D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. The next question is, which planet rains diamonds? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Neptune. Correct answer is D. Neptune. The next question is, which planet rotates in the opposite direction of most others? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Saturn. D. Jupiter. Correct answer is A. Venus. The next question is, how many teeth does a normal adult human have? A. 32. B. 28. C. 30. D. 34. Correct answer is A. 32. The next question is, which is the largest internal organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Lungs. D. Kidney. Correct answer is B. Liver. The next question is, which animal has the longest lifespan? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Tortoise. D. Eagle. Correct answer is C. Tortoise. The next question is, which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root. B. Leaf. C. Stem. D. Flower. Correct answer is B. Leaf. The next question is, which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. The next question is, which gas is used to fill balloons to make them float? A. Hydrogen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Oxygen. Correct answer is C. Helium. The next question is, which is the fastest flying bird? A. Eagle. B. Falcon. C. Parrot. D. Sparrow. Correct answer is B. Falcon. The next question is, which is the biggest desert in the world? A. Gobi. B. Kalahari. C. Thar. D. Antarctica. Correct answer is D. Antarctica. The next question is, what is the smallest unit of life? A. Organ. B. Tissue. C. Cell. D. Molecule. Correct answer is C. Cell.